Hope you have enjoyed modules 1 to 5 of the Excel for Beginners course with Discover Talent. You have now learned Excel from the very basics. You know how to open Excel, understand the screen, enter data, work with sheets, save your files correctly, and close Excel safely. This is a strong foundation for anyone starting with Excel. Before you move ahead, don't forget to attend the quiz. The quiz helps you confirm your understanding and is an important step in completing the training. Also, make sure you mark the training as completed so your course completion is properly recorded. Once you complete the quiz and training, you will receive your certification from Discover Talent. You can share this certificate on LinkedIn to highlight your new skills and strengthen your resume and professional profile. This certification shows your commitment to learning and helps you stand out when applying for jobs or new opportunities. Advanced and Intermediate Excel series are coming soon, where we will cover formulas, data analysis, reporting, automation, and dashboards. Don't forget to subscribe, stay connected, and keep practicing regularly. Thank you for learning with Discover Talent, and we look forward to seeing you in the next series.